Let's see how to upload website code on Hostinger. From the Hostinger H panel, click on Manage next to your web hosting. Now from the left menu, select the website where you want to upload the code. Click on File Manager from here. Now click on public_HTML. Now if you want to add a code to the existing file and you want to edit the file, just right click on the file and then click on Edit. So here we can add our code. We can add it anywhere we want. And once we are done, from the top we are going to click on Save. And as you can see that our changes are now saved. Now if you want to upload a code file to your website, from the top just click on Upload button. Select a file. Select the file and then click on Open. And as you can see that our code is now uploaded to Hostinger. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.